Ladies and gents, yesterday we broke down gold sales for you, broke down the structural profile over here, how you could have possibly caught the sales entries. We were coming towards the end of New York session around 7 o'clock when we posted the video, and we said there was potential buy setting up. And obviously, there was no confirmation at the time when price was here because there was no change of character. Obviously, we sent you can see here everything's timestamped. So 7:30, we sent you the 7:30. Yeah, we sent the trade for the buys for gold. Obviously, the entry was 26.58.90 over here. You can see that. So again, we tapped into. I said the low of the day was going to be printed. Obviously, the extended move on gold, 400 points. So a reversal was most likely possible over here. There were signs that a reversal was setting up because you had compression of price action. You had building up of liquidity, relatively equal lows. False change of character here, and I was marking out okay, where if the confirmation was going to happen, how the confirmation would happen over here. You can see over here the order flow shifted as the first shift of order flow there. The second, we entered on the entry on the second, there was minor liquidity over here. Obviously, you could have taken the entry here or the subsequent entries along order flow, and price has gradually shifted higher as price has progressed. So currently, the trade is up. I mean, it's almost up 130 pips from where that entry was sent last night. You can see here, yeah, 120 at the height, it was up around 170 pips. So still good trades, even if you wanted to take profit there. Obviously, then the take profit level, as I described, there's a lot of liquidity above here. So take profit was set at 26.80. Also, right now, just towards the beginning of London US Cross, I also sent this buy idea to the team. You can see it there. Those are the entries, timestamp. It was 11:50 GMT cent, and you can see that trade is already up. Because over here, there's a false change of character over here. Obviously, there's a change of character, the true change of character here, the first one, then you got second, then you got the third one. Price has now also shifted the structural high over here, and now we've got progressive structural flow to the upside. We've broken down that bit of that buy to sell candle, so the order block there, so price is pressing higher. I've I've given this a modest TP 26.79, which will still make this a 1 to 8.6 R trade. Obviously, the buys at the bottoms are 1 to 17.81, so that's about 1 to 27 across those two entries. Obviously, the sells are 1 to 8 as well, so that's already 1 to 36. If all these trades play out just across three trades, and we sent those trades at key times in the market. So London session, end of the day over here, and obviously London US cross, and that's how it's done really. So there's news coming up at 1:30 as well. So obviously we'll see the news that's coming out at 1:30. I think it's PPI data, so it's quite important. So yeah. But I'm looking for this trade to potentially go up here, or obviously if the news doesn't want to, we can even go much higher in the sales later in the week, could set up at 26.96, but that's to be seen. We'll wait for confirmation here. Yesterday I told you guys what the confirmations are here to be looking at. If the sales are going to be setting up, you're going to have to mark the terminal external structure point over here, and then track the internal leg, and then look for the shifts of the internal leg to look for confirmation around this POI. Otherwise, you don't want to enter blindly. But I hope that was useful for you guys. Again, live and center. We sent this trades out, playing out exactly how we said it would yesterday. And I'll catch up with you guys very, very soon. So keep an eye on gold. These two trades should hit TP comfortably. Obviously, there's Asia high liquidity over here at 26.93. So that's potential targets for buys. But again, I've given a conservative TPs. But again, conservative TPs are still 1 to 17.8 risk reward and 1 to 8.6. So still high risk reward on those outputs. If we had extended the targets, then these trades would obviously be much greater risk rewards on those trades. Let's say if we were aiming for the Asia high, that'd be a 1 to 27, but we didn't do so. So we keep it ticking along, we keep it moving. So a lot of news this week, but yeah, there's a potential goal could fly up back towards 26.96 before the sales, but no confirmations yet for the sales anyway. So I'll catch up with you guys very, very soon.